I'm just requesting that each and every member of the House be given the copy of the small committee report wherein makikita po kung saan po nagbawas ng kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko. And hindi naman po pwede ngayon lang yan gagawin kasi ano yan public record yan And I'm sorry to disagree, but public funds is not an internal matter. Di ba? Kaya nga natin ginawang transparent to because it's not internal. Pag nagtanong tayo tungkol sa pera ng taong bayan, every question is valid and every question is a public matter. It is not an internal matter dahil pera po ito ng taong bayan.
The procedural point is what's considered as an internal matter. Again, we maintain that the output of the small committee is included in the HGAB.
Hindi po. Pero nakasulat po ba sa HGAB kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag? Yun lang po tatanungin ko, Madam Chair.
Pwede pong silipin yung difference ng GAB as filed versus HGAB. Pero dun po sa mismong forma ng HGAB, hindi po nakalagay yung mga delta dun. But if you would really want that, like to look into the differences, you can compare HGAB as filed for first reading vis-a-vis what's transmitted in the Senate.
Madam Chair, 7,000 pages po yun. Paano ko naman babasahin yun? Doon nga sa BICAM, di ba ang ginawa nila, sinamarize nila at sinabi po nila kung ano yung binawas at ano yung dinagdag. So bakit hindi po natin magawa yun? Di ba 7,000 pages, babasahin natin isa-isa tapos hahanapin natin alin yung tumaas, alin yung bumaba. Sa BICAM po, ang ginagawa po nila, sinasummarize, nakasulat po doon. And ang balita ko sa Senate, gagawin nila is aalamin kung sino yung nag-introduce ng bawas at sino yung nag-introduce ng dagdag. And I hope the same will be done in the House.
Noted on that, we will take that into consideration as we move forward with the reforms.